On the comer, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the comer, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the comer, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the comer, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game.
What's good? How are we? Chipping the news. What's going on, you legends? Pack them likes. Pack them likes. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We be winning today. We be winning. Represent outer gang, 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 gang. We be winning today. How we all doing? I know French Toaster wanted this live stream, so we're here live at 4:30, okay? A little bit late. It's it's Nono's birthday, guys. Come on. It's the grandfather's birthday. He's cleaning up for the birthday dinner. We got a cake. We did him right. So, we're doing all right. We're doing all right. We won Crypto Wars today, first round. All right. We won first round. That's pretty cool. Okay. Not without you guys' help, man. Shout out to the chat, guys. We got TRD Farmer in here, so get some. We got Crypto Pollo saying, cluck, cluck, peeps. Sup, TRD? Moon Boot Boy. What's going on, man? Hope you're having a great day. Dave Digital. Tony Soprano. We did all right, eh? We did all right today. Melissa, let's go. Let's go, Melissa. What's going on? What's going on? Mario. Man. He's 87 years old. Tony Soprano says, we killed it. Hey, we killed it. Good job today. Thank you. We're just representing you guys. That's all. We're trying to do well. Can't always win. However, the trades presented themselves and we executed. So Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet being on with all those studs, you know, Crypto Face and Crow and all those legends. AJ Red Crypto. I don't know if he's a legend yet, but you know, he's in the making. Evan, I love Evan. Evan's a good trader, man. So none of those guys are to be taken lightly. Not to mention our good friend Army Piper over there at the Piper Academy. We love them too. So good times, good times. We're looking at Bitcoin here. You know, it's a Monday where the New York ain't open, guys. This is Martin Luther King Day. When Crypto Face collab, I don't know about that. I don't think I'm that fortunate. However, you know, always down. You know, I do use a lot of market ciphers. So what can you say? You keep it rolling. Hopefully one day we can collab with some big names and all that good stuff. However, we're always here giving away everything for free. And if you're new here, know that we have a free Discord. People sharing their TA. Kyle gave a great setup today. Guys, Kyle killed it today. Look at this. Kyle gave you guys the short setup. Whew, on that Tron. That is a Megatron setup, if I do say so myself. Good job, Kyle. I had a couple little setups this morning on ADA. Okay, we can check over these setups. Make sure that I'm not fibbing at you guys. We did trade Ordi. We did trade SEI on Trading Wars today. So I think the ADA's dumped now. Oh, the ADA did pump though. We did get the pump initially, so we did get a nice almost 3% pump here on ADA, which is still in profit. Okay, but if you took one profit, that's pretty good. You know, it works out. It works out depending on your trading strategy. Okay, my friends, you gotta have that strategy. Jeet Corp here. What's going on? Elo Brown, man, what's going on, my brother? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Wonderful day. We had a great day today so far. It's my grandfather's birthday, so just smash the like for my grandfather, Augusto. So we gotta be aware of this. So the thing is with this, okay, so we have this upwards trend line that's so strong, in my opinion. Okay, so we have a very strong trend line here that's coming through, that we've stayed above, okay? This one here. That's held support, and now we've gotten below it, okay? And we've retested it just recently here, where we've come up and then been rejected, okay? So that's very, very crucial of us. You know, we need to get above here and try to reclaim some of this shit up here, being that gap around 44,000. However, if we do fall, you know, 38 would be kind of all right. Tron's still falling. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Let's take a look at Tron. I'm going down. Just call me Timber. All right. It's getting crushed, man. It's getting crushed. Beautiful trade setup. Look at that. Wow. Wow. So the momentum, Kyle likes to do these momentum breaks with the retest coming back up. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful break of momentum. You can see the bearish divergence right here. So this is your indication of a move coming down. So you got the higher high and the lower low here. Okay, you get the move down, you get the retest. I guarantee you this is a 0.5 or a 618. You pull it. Yeah, you got the 0.5 retrace, continuation, right? Break of the upwards trend line, retest back in, take your short, ride your profits, right? Augusto's birthday stream. That's the one. Yeah, so we can't be on here too long. If there's anything you guys want me to take a look at, make sure you throw it in the chat. We'll take a look at it quickly. I just want to go over Bitcoin. We got to prepare for this week. There's some good earnings coming out this week, guys, so be prepared for that. I can get you guys an earnings chart, and I'll post it in the Discord for sure. And then we got like building permits, retail sales. Okay. Why is this not in dark mode? Okay, so I reset. Yeah, so we got some things coming up this week. Okay, so we got retail sales here. We got permits. Okay, so there's some things coming out this week that will be important. However, A or B or AVAX, yeah, no problem, no problem. So be prepared for those days. That's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then we have earnings this week, so that'll be interesting too. I think we got to keep our eyes peeled on the S&P, guys. I think because we're getting up to these higher prices here and we're kind of double topping here, if we make a new high and we get a blow off top, I think that'll really indicate which way the markets are going to move. We've had such a strong move up, right? Such a strong move up on the S&P. So many gaps down below. However, I think we'll see how this holds up in the next coming weeks, the S&P. Because if we come down to 45 is okay. But if we're coming down to 42, it's a bit scary, right? It's a bit scary. So keep our eyes peeled on this. With the Bitcoin here, you can see we're holding support for this range. So that's good to see. Good support in this range. Trading this right now, today's been a funky trading day. I know we did well on Trading Wars, but we were just trading volume and scalping on the short-term time frames. You can see it's holding this downwards trend line. Let's see if it can get above and try to make some higher lows as it is right now. So we did give the breakout trade the other day on Bitcoin. So the breakout trade was over here. Where is it? Let's go over and check it. I added Kyle in it, because it was a breakout trade. This one here. So we gave this one here the breakout trade. We did come back down, but we did have a nice breakout trade here. And we gave the ETH setup as well. We took 3 ETH trades yesterday. We murdered ETH. We took so much money from ETH, it was funny. So definitely awesome. Darren does things in the chat, man. Thank you so much for your help today. Late was reading my son a story before bed. God bless you, Darren. DDT came through. He gave me some volatility tokens to look at, and we executed, man. We killed it. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. We killed it today, man. B Team Crypto. Man, we killed it today. There's some funny clips here. We gotta watch.
I'll be there. Unfortunately, not fighting now.
You're not fighting now?
No, dude. I have a full-on broken rib.
Keeper's got broken
Yeah,
rib.
fuck your rib. You can fight. Ribs ain't shit.
Dude, I have a broken rib. Trust me, I wish.
How you gonna get a broken rib from some scrub in a gym?
Hey, you can blow yourself now though. That's good.
Exactly. Marilyn Manson.
Yeah, Marilyn Manson.
Remove
that broken rib and
Get to work.
Only on the left side.
AJ doing the Two-Face look today.
Oh shit! If somebody broke my ribs, I'd probably never leave the house.
That'd be the first thing I'd do. God
Be
dang.
flexible, man.
Oh,
I think they were making Jenna uncomfortable. A bunch of rowdy men. And we had fun today. Squeezed out the victory. We didn't squeeze out the victory. Oh no, he's making otter. Is that number 8? That's my favorite number. How did you know? Let's go. What's going on, Lunar Beach's crypto, man? Much love to you. What's going on, man? we slayed Artie today. Let's go, DDT. Okay. I see Algo in the chat. Let's take a look at Algo. Oof. That was the wrong Algo chart. We have an Algo chart. Don't worry about that. That was ugly. Oh, man. So we're looking at Algo for this massive support here, okay? So there is a massive support in Algo. I was looking at Algo, and this is almost like, I don't know, head and shoulders, but you don't want to say it's a head and shoulders, but you kind of, you see it, don't you? Like, you see it. However, we do have massive support here around 1850 on Algo. So with Algo, it's a matter of is it going to hold here and start to make some higher lows, right? With anything like this, you want to see this kind of work its way back up, right? So you're going to have to see it get above, this 20-cent area for it to continue up. Otherwise, you're looking to roll over, right? Like if you get a big dump on Bitcoin to 37, whatever, you're you're looking to roll over. Comp is not ICP apparently. So oh man. Is comp ICP, guys? I wasn't even informed about that. So with algo, you're looking for continuation to the upside. However, you are getting a nice double bottom here on Market Cipher and rolling through here. You can see 12-hour momentum wave to the upside. Hopefully a money flow crossover, but the stochastics is posturing to the upside, and the VWAP's about to cross over on the 12-hour. So look for a little bit of relief here on Algorand. It is looking to push up. However, if it loses like this momentum here, you're definitely coming back down to like 17.8. So you look for that to hold really with Algorand. Yeah. Right now it's not really too tradable. You can kind of see here. You would kind of wait for this breakout, right? So you're kind of in a retest and then breakout, right? So you're looking for that, like the break of this, like a confirmed break on like at least a 15-minute time frame with algo. So you go down to 15. You can draw this trend line a little bit tighter here, but you want to see confirmed breakout on any of this kind of stuff here with algo. Very chopped sideways, right? After a massive sell-off on Bitcoin. So look for Bitcoin to lead the market. That's how I traded today, guys. I honestly, I had Bitcoin up right here. When Bitcoin was pumping, I scalped long, right? When Bitcoin's dumping, I took the scalp short, right? And by doing that, I definitely got into some pretty awesome trades. You know, I think I was at $1,000 and $90. I think I was like $50 ahead of anybody. So I did pretty well today. And I'm not trying to toot my horn. You guys know I try to practice humility as much as I can. So it just goes to show you, you stick around, you practice, you put in the time, you can kill it, right? Randy Hipper in the chat. What's going on? Randy, we won Trading Wars first day today. So we're pretty proud. We're pretty proud. Thank you so much for being in the chat, guys. Let's throw some cookies in the chat for Randy here. We all know Otter Gang loves you, Randy. So thank you so much for supporting this channel. We did good today. We killed Trading Wars and we had a great time. So thank you so much for being here, Randy, and supporting the channel. We appreciate you. And don't mess around. Randy was knighted. Miss Team Crypto was knighted in the chat here. So she's got the authority. Let's go. Right? So we killed it today. Just winning. We like to win here. Winning is good. Put the money where the mouth is, right? So we had a great time on Trading Wars today. So I think we can go to it here. Let me see if I can find it. What else did you guys want me to quickly look at here? We're not going to look at ICP or comp. ARB or AVAX. So I saw AVAX. AVAX for me looks quite suppressed right now. So AVAX looking to move up hopefully, but we got to have a little celebration here, guys. Like as humble as I can be. Guys, we won today, okay? So we're pretty there's nothing wrong with being a little bit proud. It's when it turns into false pride, when your ego gets in the way and you start thinking you're the shit, which I don't. That's when it becomes a problem, okay? Can you flaunt the LevX trades? I think I can. Let me see if I can flaunt the LevX trades. But we just scalping, man. Crushing it today. Yeah, let's go and look at the dashboard. Okay, so everybody, we finished the day we started the day with $1,000. Okay, and most people finished the day negative 1,000. We won't talk about them because everybody has their own story here. But we were hunting these trades, and it was pretty awesome. So we go over here. We can go to our trade history here, and we were in and out of the trades. I don't know how. I'm not closed P&L. Here we go. Yeah. So we got out of the Ordi trade because the Ordi turned against us. We could have held the Ordi trade for profit, okay, and it could have came back. But I was up on the SEI retest trade, and I got in on this. This thing right here. So $82, $10, $13. we destroyed it, right? So it was good fun. It was good fun today. Who's that Nunya person, anyways? None your business. B team is awesome. You kind of think you're the. I do. Dave Digital thinks that I am the little shit. Okay, I'm the little shit. Okay, let me have my win today, Dave. Oh man. Just for extra measure here, we'll find it. We'll find it for you, Dave. And then we'll look at AVAX, what Bitcoin does. And shout out to Miss Team Crypto. Great stream this morning. I was there. I appreciate Randy's TA because I find that your TA is more simplistic's the wrong word. It's more, okay, here's a level. Look at this level. This is where we hold support and resistance. I'm looking at this key level. If we flip this, then we're continuing on, and it's good. So you're the little shit, Al. I'm quite short, so I feel like I'm a little shit as well. But that's okay. Short power. Good things come in small packages, except for some things, okay? Don't be rude, guys. Don't be rude. Thank you, guys.
First time on the show. Congrats, bro. You get immunity. You get immunity for next week, Alex, so you can be as big of a scrub as you want to be next week.
I can degen. Perfect.
You can go wild with it, but just understand.
You can go pro with it for a whole hour and a half, and you'll be good.
Crow, send me those signals, man.
Okay, I will.
I can go full degen. I'm gonna inverse.
Every time I get a hunch, I'll tell you, so you can do the polar opposite.
Yeah.
Oh my
This guy, man. You give me the bird
that's dope,
signals
dude,
over
for
here.
Sure. Congrats on that.
Oh man, so good, so good. So yeah, the way I traded today is I simply looked at Bitcoin and then I looked at things that had volatility. Luckily enough, I had my good old friend Darren Does Things who gave me some coins to look at that had high volume to trade in a time period that was very limited. So I then looked at Bitcoin to the way Bitcoin was moving, and then I used that to judge my more degen coin trades. So that's how we did it. Oh man. Too good, too good. So with AVAX here, you got to be cautious of the rollover here on any of these coins right now. So you're very much at a level of where price could simply roll, right, to the downside. So you got to be very cautious here with any kind of longs. You can see some sort of head and shoulders forming here on AVAX as well. So if this neckline really does start to break, you could be heading quite down quite significantly. Okay, so you definitely want to watch that. And then you're looking for this box to hold. This box seems to be holding for any typical bounces, which is around $32 at AVAX. And like, in my opinion, a $32 AVAX is a buy, but it's not financial advice. However, you just want to be aware of those levels if we do get a rollover. And that will be indicative of what Bitcoin does. Okay, so you're definitely going to watch that for sure. Okay, now Link. I saw Link in the chat as well. With Link, okay, Link has had a nice move today. I was actually looking to trade Link on Trading Wars today because it's had this massive, beautiful move to the upside. So draw your momentum line, look for it to hold, okay? And it's trying to stay above this $15 right here, this $15.15, okay? So this is going to be a key level. If it can hold here, then I do see Link continuing on its merry way back up to the $16-ish level. So Link could be a possibility for a trade. However, it is very overextended with this move. It has pushed up quite a lot. So look for a little bit of a cool down and possibly a bounce on Link. Okay. With Link, it's definitely hit or miss. It is in a beautiful consolidation range, right? So within this range, you can look to short the highs along the lows. But right now, I think it's pretty much in the middle. So you don't want to be jumping into anything dramatic unless you're looking to scalp or quickly get in and out of positions. You're above the point of control. Look for that to hold. You can slide this down a little bit, I guess. I prefer it up here, actually, because of the support and resistance. So let's see if it holds here, where Link is right now, and a continuation to the upside would be nice to see on Link, okay? But you got to be careful, because you're longing in the middle of a range after a move, okay? I just shared it to my Discord. Please join and share things. Alex should throw his streams in my Discord, too, so everyone there can support. Absolutely. Randy, I just joined your Discord, so we can go over here. Randy, Hipper's Discord, and we can go here and invite people. Okay. Copy. There's the link to Randy's Discord there. I just threw it in the chat, everybody, if you want to go over and say hello to... Do you have like a... we're the Otter Gang here, but do you have zesty humans? I don't know. Zesty sauce. But yeah, you guys join, go over and support Randy. Obviously, big friend of the channel and always here supporting. So very, very grateful for you and your support as well to us as well. I know a lot of your people have also come over and helped. So I appreciate it. We appreciate you. So yeah, look for link to continue up right now, but it has had a move, a quite big move. So you're looking for a little bit of a cool down here. You can see a higher high and a lower low on your 4 hour, which is probably a sign of a big cool off here. So you can see a higher high and a lower low, which looks to continue downwards. Okay, so be very cautious. B Team Crypto with a $5 super chat. Good job today, buddy. Gang, Otter gang, man. We killed it today, man. God bless you, B Team Crypto in the house. Always supporting the Otter gang, man. Much love to you, brother. Yeah, we represent, man. We did good. I mean, next week's a new week. But I think we have immunity next week, so we might just be degen. Either we're going to make or break next week, just for fun. That's awesome. Thank you so much, B Team Crypto. I appreciate you, brother. You're a brother, man. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, going over to, I believe it was, what was the other one you guys asked me to do? See, what about Tia? Or let's go to Tia Celestia. So we are looking at trading Tia as well. Okay, Tia has been flying. Okay, flying. Same thing here. We're on the 4 hour. Okay, you can see we've had a nice pump up. We're looking to see if this gets exhausted at all. So we'll draw the trend line here, and we look for it to return. Okay, so this is a nice move. However, lots of bearish divergent signals here. So you got a higher high and a lower low here on the 4 hour as well. So look for this to cool off and possibly retest. Lots of bullish momentum though on Tia. So look for the higher low somewhere around these levels that we're looking at here. So a little bit overextended. Nice move up. Now you got this major trend line over here on your right, and then you have some sort of, how would I draw this? No, I'm not drawing it like that. I'm looking for this area to be support. You could draw something like that, but very big double top here to the upside. You're looking for the cool off. I think we pulled volume here from previous ranges. Let's take a look. Okay, so you have a little bit of volume and a shelf here. Yeah, so this is your shelf that you would like to revisit and continue to make higher lows on Tia. So look for it to come back down to 18.6, 1862, somewhere around here, where you're looking for a bounce. I believe you got a nice golden pocket off of here. So let's take a look at that. Let's see if we got the golden pocket bounce here. Yeah, so we got 786 perfect touch. Now you're back down to this. So yeah, very choppy right now. So like I said, be very cautious with things like this. You are flagging out on the short-term time frames. I can see that. To draw this trend line here on the 15 of Tia, right? You have bullish momentum, right? So with Tia, you keep banging on a trend line like this. You break out, you buy the retest, and you look to ride this puppy up, right? And then you look to come to at least to the point of control, value area high, right? So there's some nice trades to be had here. However, you're going to watch Bitcoin and see if Bitcoin dumps. I mean, most things will follow, right? Most things will follow. So we're very aware of all of that. Justin Eubanks, yo, Alex O'Crypto, let's effing go. Congrats on the W on Wars. Much love to you, Eubanks. Eubanks, WeBanks, be your own bank, okay? What's going on, Justin? Thank you so much for being here, for all your support, Justin. Much love to you. AOC, did you just call a 0.3 move on a $19 asset? That's the one. That's the one. Much love to you, Dave Digital. Always keeping me honest, man. That's why you got your own emoji, bro. I don't see Mark Dutch anywhere with his shoes, though. So ADA trade coming back to this trend line. For me with ADA, I want to see it. I would really want to see it hold this area. Okay, like I'm an ADA bull. However, let's get rid of this trend line. Yeah, so we did have a retest here. Let's go swing high to swing low. We're at the golden pocket here. That's why this thing has held so much. But you want to see continuation. We haven't seen much of a continuation. This looks very bearish in my opinion. You can see it came up, big wick, rolled over, continues to roll over. Okay, this is just bleeding. It looks like it's bleeding, right? So you got a falling wedge. This could break to the upside. However, coming back down to this support level would be ideal. 50-cent ADA, possibly incoming. David Brumbelow, what's going on, my man? Much love to you, brother. Much love to you. Beam. Now, Beam has had a nice breakout, guys. So something to keep your ear to. So for me, I've said buy Beam here. I've said buy Beam here. I've said buy Beam here. Okay, and I do hold Beam. And every time we say buy here, it tends to go pump. I take some profits, and then it dumps, and I buy some more, and then I take some profits. So we can see we have some sort of downtrend here. However, I'm bullish on Beam long term. AVAX gaming coin. Okay, so for me, you draw this trend line here on Beam. You look for this to hold and continue its way upwards. You can see a big downwards trend line here. And as this continues to transpire here, we look for that massive move. Okay, that's something we're keeping our eyes on. So keep your eyes peeled for Beam for a breakout of this downtrend where you get above and you fly off the handles. Okay, something to definitely consider. Now we were looking at Solana for a possible trade setup as well. So we've drawn this big triangle here on Solana. Okay, you can see it. It has been respected. Look for this to break out. Either direction, right? Either direction. Keep your eyes peeled, my friends. Keep your eyes peeled so we can prepare for anything, right? Looking like it's getting a little bit of a sell-off. For me, this red line in the sand is definitely around $91, $91.50 that we've been targeting. So you can swing low to swing high, right? Golden pocket, 786, where you can look to target a possible long from down here. We'll change that to green so that you guys know that we're trying to go long here. We're trying to go long here. Okay? So keep that peeled. Make sure to be prepared for anything on Solana. But Solana's pretty bullish, man. Pretty bullish. We just want to be very cautious with the state of the whole crypto industry right now. You have the buy the rumor, sell the news, looking for Bitcoin to cool over and come down. However, I would like to see on Bitcoin for this stuff to be taken out. Okay, there's too much gappage here where I believe that we should come up, then continue our ways downwards. Okay, so that means probably midweek, tomorrow, the next day, possibly a pump that we're expecting, and then a dump in the end of the week, depending on the news and the data that we talk about. Okay, what's up? We're doing the cake in 5 minutes, guys. My nono's getting dressed. He's cleaned himself. He's looking like a stallion, a true Italian stallion. 87 years old. We won Trading Wars today. We're gonna go do the cake. So we're going to play the song. We're going to say goodbye. I told you it was going to be a quick stream, half an hour stream. We'll be back tomorrow. Bird feeder fun round. Retro Mic Tech. It's Granddad's birthday, and I went outside to do the bird feeder for him. And now it's hashtag bird feeder fun round. Right? He's going to love that hydroponic thing, eh? Hopefully. Okay, I'll be there in 5 minutes. Thanks, Mrs. Otter. Mrs. Otter says hello to everyone. Mrs. Otter says hello. We have Luigi here. He's a Hugh Hefner here with his fedora. We should screen share him with this cane. 87 years old. Handsome man. Handsome, beautiful man. Hey, no. Inverse no. Which way are we going today? No. This guy helped raise me, He's looking at the price action, being like, "Guys, sell the news, sell the news." Let's go. Mrs. Otter says hello. She sends her love. We're gonna all sing "Happy Birthday" for Granddad. I don't know. I can't drag my camera up there. I can record it. I can record it and put it in the Discord. I can do that. Which way do you think it's gonna go? Vafanculo, he says. Let's go. Retro Mike, thank you so much for the super chat, $5 super chat. I appreciate you, brother. God bless you. Hope you're having a good start to your week. We've started off with a bang. Crypto wars, all that good stuff. Gotta go spend time. You know, time is why we're here. You know, I became a day trader from a carpenter to create the time and the memories I can have with my family and my friends. You guys are my friends. I enjoy spending the time with you, but I've created a life of freedom through cryptocurrency, through Bitcoin, through trading, and I hope to share that with you guys and help encourage you guys and create that for yourselves. So that's what this channel is all about, is, you know, helping people profit, create that life of freedom, and all that good stuff, man. And I appreciate you guys. God bless every single one of you guys. I'm thankful for every one of you, and we will be here tomorrow for a full stream, okay? But we got to go and spend a nice birthday celebration with Nono, okay? God bless you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gains. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O.